Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today's video, we're gonna have fun. And so this is the week of my garage sale. And I don't have a lot of time to share a full decorate with me video. So I thought I would share a few things that I'm working on around the house and then share with you how they turned out. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a makeover on this artwork. Now this is a canvas that I picked up from Goodwill a few years ago, and I did a makeover on it then, but now I'm going to do another makeover. Okay, so I've already painted the canvas in a white color, and then I took the wall color, which is brown, and I painted the center of the canvas. And now I'm going to do an additional step just to give it a 3D effect. So I have a couple of items that I may work with, and guys, I will take anything and make something out of nothing. Guys, this is packing paper. So I received several packages over time, and they were packed in this paper. And so when I unpacked the items, the first thing I thought was, this is something that I can make art out of. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So for this particular paper, I like the way that it does show the underneath color. So I think this is a win-win. I'm just going to cut it smaller than the center brown portion of the canvas, and then I'm just going to go forward and try different shapes and sizes to see what I like best. Okay, so this is a good size, but I don't want it to look like a square, so I'm gonna ball it up a little bit and then open it back up and see what I get. Kind of crumble it a bit so that I don't get straight lines. Now I have no idea how I want to lay it on the canvas, so I'm going to play around with it a bit. And I think I'm just going to adhere it in a few areas with hot glue. Okay, so I found a few little push pins, and I'm going to use the push pin to adhere in the center. That's what I did so far. And then I just took the paper and covered up over the push pin. And I think I'm going to do the same thing on each corner. So stay tuned guys, and I'm gonna hang it and let you see how it turned out. I picked up this vase from Home Goods. Now it is a beautiful piece. The color is just not the right color for my taste, but the size was perfect. So for $18, I thought I would bring it home and give it a little makeover. So I'm going to start out with the paint that I have on hand, which is stucco, and I used this paint on a lot of my DIYs and furniture pieces. And so I'm going to give it a light wash over the existing color, just leaving some of the existing color peeping through. And then I'm going to try my dirt technique to give it more of an earthy tone and a little warmth. Now this is how it turned out, and I think the color is perfect for where I want to place it. Guys, I also picked up these stems from Kirkland's, and I don't typically go in Kirkland's, but I did go in the other day, and they were having 50% off on their fall stems. And so I got these. They were $12.99 and half off. So I picked up 3 stems, and this is what one bunch looks like. And they match perfectly with the vase. And guys, I could not resist this beautiful lamp that I picked up from HomeGoods. And I think everything looks beautiful together. Alright guys, so next I'm going to make over these flowers. If you guys saw my last haul, I mentioned that I picked up some spray paint in the color Nutmeg, and I got this from Target, but I think they sell it most everywhere, and the finish is satin. And I'm just going to use this to cover up some of the gray areas or the silver areas on the flowers. I was going to put them in the garage sale, but I decided to try and give them one more chance. Now, you guys may have remember seeing these flowers styled in my kitchen hutch in a recent video, and I tried a few first to see if I would like it, and I really did like the way they looked, so I'm going to do the rest. Alright guys, so for this makeover, we're starting here in the bedroom. And no, I'm not getting a new bed, nor am I painting the walls. But I am going to paint the headboard. So you guys know that I have been incorporating a little bit of black and brown throughout my home on the first level. Now it's time to incorporate a little bit of it up here in my bedroom. Hubby said we can't get new furniture, and so the best way to update old furniture is to paint it. And I'll be using the Tricorn Black from Sherwin-Williams. So that's going to do it for today's video. Please come back at my next video and see how everything turned out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.